So, first things first. We haven't been filming because I fucking broke my GoPro. And then this bitch got me a new one for my birthday, so that's great. So now we have a good GoPro to use. But yeah, you care to explain what happened and why this is here and that's there?
So, as you can see, this is a brand new transmission.
Yeah.
You know why? Because Paul broke his. Sent her a little too hard, gave her all the beans, and now it wouldn't even go into any gear.
Only neutral.
So now we got a new transmission.
We need to get a new clutch too.
We had to take it off the engine, which is why the engine's up there. We're just taking the liberty now to clean it, rebuild it, and paint it so that it looks nice.
But yeah, it's like 8:30 in the morning, and I need to leave by 12. So we gotta go and start. So let's get into it. Okay, second day. Engine's super clean. We finished cleaning it yesterday. Now we're repainting stuff. We're doing the exhaust, redoing the exhaust. We got the covers over there, and we cleaned everything. There's the shroud over there. I completely stripped that of paint. And
yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep going. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna sum up this video. What do you have to say? What did you think of this experience? Sure.
And
It's been a long experience.
We'll see you guys in the next video when this will be back on the frame. We're probably gonna go off-roading a couple times. Yes. She better subscribe. She's not even subscribed. You better do it now. We're looking for your name.
Subscribe, like the video.
Yeah, whatever. Alright, see you guys in the next video.